washing machine just exploded. It blew up.
And it was all caught on Reggie Braswell's garage security camera.
Glass all up there by the front door, and glass was everywhere.
You can see his Samsung top loader mangled in pieces, the top blown off.
I'm just thankful no one was out there. We weren't out there.
Reggie documented the damage to his dryer, garage wall, and outlets, plus car.
Cracked the lens right there. And
Reggie cleaned up his garage and says since the washing machine was in pieces, took it to the curb.
I set it outside, and a recycle guy already picked it up.
He called Samsung to report the issue.
Lady told me that, oh, well, since you don't have the washer no more, we can't do anything for you.
Reggie started doing some research online and says that's when he learned the Samsung top loader was actually part of a massive recall in 2016. This recall issued after our investigation exposing the issue. ABC11, the first to show you this Holly Springs woman's machine after it exploded mid-wash. After her case, we continued to hear from more Triangle homeowners with the same issue. The recall included 2.8 million Samsung washing machines, several different models. When Reggie searched his serial number,
it showed that, yeah, that was a recall deal. I said, well, I never got any recall on that.
Reggie said he called the number listed on the recall notice for Samsung.
They told me that if I don't have the machine, they can't do anything for me. I said, even though I got the videos, the serial number.
Reggie reached out to me and I got in touch with Samsung, who provided this statement that said in part, after announcing this voluntary recall in 2016, we immediately notified our customers about available remedies. These efforts included mailing recall kits to more than 2 million customers, which contained a new control panel guide, warning labels, and instructions on how to schedule a free in-home repair or take advantage of an exchange rebate. 7 years later, these remedies are still available today. And Samsung says they encourage customers to contact them if they need help. As for Reggie's case, Samsung sent him a full refund for his washing machine and compensation for damage to his car and property.
Y'all got involved in it, and right first thing out of the bat, they changed their mind. They called me and decided they'll take care of the problem. And it's stuff like I thought, man, it's what a godsend.
So glad no one was hurt in this case. Now, Samsung also added that their records indicate Braswell was mailed a recall kit in 2016 as one of more than 2 million customers who received the notice. And this is an important reminder on why it's so important to pay attention to the recalls, as many times the notices arrive in the mail and it's easy to discard, but it's key to take action if you have a product impacted by a recall. And we see this with products, we see this with car recalls. You cannot ignore, because these are safety recalls typically when they mail these out.
And you can see how it could potentially be a danger, an exploding washing machine like that.
I mean, he said, thank goodness this was in his garage.
Yeah, incredible. This all started in 2015, and you're still stepping in to help people out now. Diane, thanks.